Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to all of you. Today my group will present about Malaysia Organic Scheme. Before that I will like to introduce my group member. My name is Dayanku Atika binti Aun Daud and this is Khadijah Yulaiti Rosaitu and Siti Faizah binti Marahim. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Our topic is about Malaysia Organic Scheme. So what is Malaysia Organic Scheme? Malaysia Organic Scheme is a certification program that to recognize the owner of the farm that cultivate organically in accordance with requirement from Organics Malaysia. In a simple words, mean any farm that cultivate organic plantation, they need this scheme to certify their plantation. So it involves the production, the processing, labeling, and marketing of plant that best organically produce food. Okay, this is the scope of the Malaysia Organic Scheme, which is it is to focus. The focus of this scheme is to producer and handling packaging, storage, transportation, and sales of organic food. Okay, next I will pass the floor to Siti Faizah.
Thank you, Dayang. Okay, next is the criteria. Okay, this is the criteria for the SOM, Organic Nations. The criteria which is the water management. Okay, for the water management, it's a very important part because from the water resource we get and the irrigation system, we need to get advice from the competent to optimize the use of water and avoid wastage of nutrients. So that means we must to get the appropriate water resources for our plantation. And number 2, use of an effective irrigation system or appropriate the plants and the soil should be based on package, plant technologies, examples better irrigation and irrigation drops like this. They use the sprinkler. And next, okay, for number 3, the untreated sewage water is prohibited for use for irrigations. And number 4, water used for irrigation should comply with the Act environmental quality. And number 5, water is obtained from sustainable sources. So that we mentioned the water management is very important because we want to the very good wastage throughout from the planting. Okay, next.
Okay, I will continue our presentation with the analysis result, which is the SOM really need this analysis result where it will analyze the pesticide residue and the heavy metal. So for the new application, which is the need pesticide residue in 3 times and heavy metal 1 time. But for the continued application, they should need, as you can see over here, if analysis have residue, it must repeat again 3 times and heavy metal 1 time. So next is benefit, which is there is a 3 benefit. First is the producer, for the customer, and for the environment and workers. For the producer, the supplier can sell the organic product with a reasonable price in market. So which is they will choose any price they want. For the customer, consumer have the confidence that the product purchased is really organic and contain no chemical, which is the product that have a SOM. It is more safe to people buy because it's more organic and there is no chemical content. For the environment and workers, the environment pollutant or intoxication among the operation and workers can be minimized. So it will reduce any pollution or any chemical waste from the plantation. Okay, next this is a form application for the SOM, as you can see over here. So if you want to apply the SOM, you should Google this application form, and you should from the agriculture department. Okay, I think that's all for our group. Thank you.
Done.